Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker unboxing, guys. Huge mail haul, actually. We got all of these packages. Dude, this is this is not a good idea. This is pretty heavy. But we got a lot of packages over here. 3 of them, I believe, are Adidas, and then we got a couple other like extra stuff that I wanted to open on camera with you guys. And we're gonna just jump right into it, guys. I do want to give you guys a heads up that next week is the start of the giveaway, so make sure you guys have YouTube notifications turned on so you guys don't miss that one. It's gonna be a big giveaway, and I'm excited to announce that I partnered up with somebody for it. So stay tuned, man. It's gonna be on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, so it'll be a good one. The box is also $5,000, so you don't want to miss that. Anyway, let's see what we got in these boxes today, man. Ooh, that's right. Okay, so this one I was really like excited to show you guys because this is something different. I know we're gonna get into the sneakers real quick, but I did want to open this up on camera because this is a kind of cool thing that I just picked up. It's called a Devoom TV, and what it is, it's a smart pixel art Bluetooth speaker. So not only does it play music and stuff, it also has like an LED screen where you can change out the pixels and make cool little designs. I also got this massive one over here called the TV Max. Okay, that's pretty cool. And this is what it looks like outside of the box, so you guys can check it out. And I have to charge it and set it up and whatnot, but you guys will see some cool little like things on the back. Hopefully maybe I can make like a YouTube play button or something. That'd be pretty sick. Anyway, that's the first thing that we got. So this next one is very interesting. It's from a company out in California. It's like a new kind of company, and they just recently partnered with Soul Supremacy, which you guys know Soul Supremacy, man. They're the like main people that we have on the Sneaker Mystery Box series. So they partnered up with them and they released like a limited edition like pair of something that I want to show you guys, and I think you guys will like it a lot. Now, this company is super sick because right here, this is not a sneaker, but it comes in like a sneaker looking box. Check that out, dude. That's super sick. Looks like a Jordan box. And very cool branding over at the top. This company is called Trillis, and what they do is they design like different like not only jerseys and stuff, but they also have shorts, and they partnered with Soul Supremacy to release a pair of Swingman shorts. And check out how dope this design is, guys. This is super fire. Look at that. Swingman shorts, collaboration with Trillis, Sav's brand, and also Soul Supremacy, dude. Has that UNC colors on the side and also the Chicago Bulls colors to represent, you know, Jordan's career, right? UNC and also Chicago. So very dope to see, dude. And this is also really high quality stuff. So I like this a lot. And you guys can't beat that boxing, man. Like, look at that box. If I ever make merch again, I'm hoping I can figure out how to make something like this, because that would be super sick. Or what would be even better is like if I can actually get Trillis to make like a Hawaii themed shorts, that would be super dope. You know what I mean? Like we could have like palm trees or something on here, or like UH Manoa stuff. It'll be super sick. Hopefully we can get that in the works. That'd be cool. Let me know if you guys be interested in seeing that or copying it, because I'm really like thinking that I want to work with those guys to see if we can make something happen for the Untitled Hana. I think that these shorts are actually sold out right now, but if you guys check out the Trillis website, which I will link in the description below, they do have a lot of other kind of clothing and stuff on there. Like I said, this was a limited edition collab, but they also have other shorts and cool game jerseys and stuff that are on there, so be sure to check them out. And now we can get into the sneakers. Like I said, these are all copped from Adidas, and it was kind of insane because I think I copped all 3 of these in one weekend. Like literally all of them dropped like back to back to back. A lot of Yeezys. Let's check it out. Gonna be a lot of brown boxes in here, man. This first one is a Yeezy 380 box, and this is a size 10.5, and probably a mistake of a sneaker for me to pick up. Was not expecting this one to do as bad as it is on resale. And so for this shoe, we have this sneaker right here, the Yeezy 380 Mist. Man, I gotta tell you guys, this was probably a mistake for me to pick up. What happened was I actually entered the raffle on Adidas app, and I signed up because I was thinking, you know, maybe I can make a couple bucks off of selling these. I'm not a big Yeezy fan, as you guys know, but there is resale to be made. Then I found out that, you know, everything started shutting down because of the pandemic that's happening, and yeah, nobody wants to buy sneakers anymore. So these are actually selling for under retail, like on a lot of like apps and stuff. So yeah, kind of overspent on this a little bit. Check it out over here, guys. Yeezy 380 Mist. I mean, it's a pretty interesting sneaker. This colorway isn't too bad. I actually like this one better than the Alien version. I think the Alien is selling for quite a bit. This one, not at all, like I said, under retail. So we got to see what they're going to do with the Yeezy 380 line, but so far it seems like it's underwhelming and also coming out at like a hard economic time. So it's really just a weird time to buy any kind of shoes, not only Yeezys. 2 more Yeezys in here though, and both of these I actually like a lot better than that Mist. Okay, and this is one that I'm most excited for because this is the most recent release of the Yeezy 350 line. I also caught this one from the Adidas app as well. They're getting lucky with the Adidas app, man. Sneakers app been catching L's like every single drop. Adidas, it feels like I'm hitting on everything. I'm not sure if you guys are winning too, but I feel like it's a lot easier over there. Anyway, this shoe right here is one that I am pretty excited for. This is the Yeezy 350 Cinders, guys, and first impressions of this is actually, it looks really, really good. Like, I like this. I'm not a huge Yeezy fan, as I've mentioned, but I like a couple of the 350 colorways, and this one is probably like one of my favorites since like maybe the Yeezy Statics. Those were really dope. If you guys want to check it out over here, Yeezy Cinder V2s. These things have an all black upper with that see-through stripe over here, and you guys can check it out. It has kind of like a gum bottom. It's not really gum, more like an earth kind of look, but it does create contrast over there. I kind of like that they add this yellow boost, which you'll never see, but it kind of makes just a good color diversity over here as well. I think these actually have good resale. That's why they're about 280, so there's some money to be made on them if you wanted to sell them. All right, last shoe over here, another Adidas Yeezy. Dude, it's crazy. We got like literally every model of Yeezys like ever made. Very good diversity on this, because this one right here is actually a pair of Yeezy 700s. And this was a restock that just happened. This one is a size 10.5, and we have a pair of the most iconic Yeezy 700s. There is the Yeezy 700 Waverunner. This has been restocked, I think like 6 times already, 5 or 6 times, guys. It's a lot of times they're restocking it, and I'm sure this won't be the last time we see them restocking, because like I mentioned in a previous video, like very, very early into the quarantine, I said a lot of restocks would be happening on Adidas and Nike, and you guys saw on Adidas, they restocked these. I think there were also Yeezy Zebras that dropped with this one. Didn't get lucky on that, unfortunately. But also on Sneakers app, they dropped a whole bunch of restocked shoes as well. So like I mentioned, guys, because of this stuff happening right now, Nike's stock and Adidas's stock are like tanking. So you can expect that they're going to be dropping shoes like this where they know they will be hype and people will buy them. So kind of hold off on buying shoes because you really don't know what's going to be restocking. Like, these things still have great resale and they just restocked them again. So look out for more of these guys. Just keep your apps up to date. You never know what you're going to cop. Yeezy 700 Waverunner, as I mentioned, one of the most iconic Yeezys ever, not only for the 700 line, but any Yeezy in general. And as I see it more often, I guess it's kind of growing on me, but I mean, I just don't think I can do it, guys. Still more of a dad shoe, and I think that dad shoe craze is actually dying down now. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these or not, but if I don't decide to keep them, you guys can find them on the channel membership drop. If you guys don't have channel memberships, hit join down below. I think it's $4.99 a month, and you guys are able to get like a whole bunch of cool perks on the channel. Not only that, you guys are also able to support me, which I highly appreciate, and because of that, I put these shoes for like huge discounts on the web store once a month. So definitely something to check out. Hit that join, read up about it. It's very cool. Anyway, guys, that is actually it for the unboxings. A lot of Adidas stuff, which is very rare on this channel. Most of the times you guys see Jordan 1s, Nike SB Dunk, stuff like that, but it was a Yeezy kind of day, man. The Adidas app has been killing it recently, and hopefully we can continue to get more from that app. Hope you guys are doing well with your family during quarantine, and I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. As always, make sure you guys subscribe down below if you guys are new here, and also like this video if you guys like seeing the content on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!